In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to dynamically connect your CMS collection to a web page using a collection list. This process allows you to easily display multiple items from your CMS without manually updating each piece of content. We'll walk through setting it up step by step. To begin, the first thing we'll do is add a collection list to your page. You'll find this feature in the Add panel, which is your go-to resource for all elements you can embed into your project. Simply drag and drop a collection list element onto your page. Once it's positioned to your liking, head over to the Element Settings panel. Here, you'll find the Collection tab where you need to select the CMS collection you want to use. This could be your blog posts, products, or any other collection you have set up. Selecting the correct collection is crucial because it determines what set of data is displayed. Next, let's add your component. This is essentially the design or structure that will be repeated for each item in your collection. You can either create this component from scratch, import one, or copy and paste an existing one if you've already designed it elsewhere. Take a moment to plan your component structure so that it aligns with how you want your audience to interact with your content. Once you've copied it or created it, place it within the first item of the collection list. This is important because the layout you define here will automatically apply to all items in the list, saving you a significant amount of time and ensuring consistency. Following this setup, you'll need to connect the static elements of your component to the dynamic data in your CMS. Double-click on the specific element you wish to connect, such as a heading, image, or link within the collection item. Then, in the Element Settings panel, look for the purple dot icon next to the property you are aiming to connect. Clicking this will open a drop-down menu allowing you to select the corresponding CMS field, like name for text elements, thumbnail image for image elements, or article link for URLs. This step is like aligning the puzzle pieces. Each CMS field provides the data connection that dynamically populates your component. Finally, repeat the connecting process for every part of your component that needs to be dynamic. Remember, this includes images, text, and links. This ensures that every time someone visits your page, they're greeted with the most current data from your CMS, presented cohesively and in line with your design. And there you have it. By following these instructions, you've efficiently set up a dynamic collection list linked to your CMS. This approach not only saves time, but also maintains uniformity and accuracy across your web pages. Thank you for watching, and happy designing.